Particular design, compatible Garmin Instinct, Garmin Instinct Solar / Garmin Instinct Solar Tactical / Garmin Instinct Solar Surf Tempered Glass Screen Protector. Not fit for Instinct 2/2S. Scratch protection, made from high-quality tempered glass, effectively protect your device from unwanted scuffs and scratches by knife, keys and some other hard substances. High response -100% bubble-free adhesives for easy installation. Ultra thin with 0.33 mm thickness and ultra clear with 99.99% transparency, promises better touchscreen sensitivity of your Garmin Instinct. Silicone Dust Plugs Premium soft silicone material, the dust plugs designed to fit and seal port tightly. Anti-dust, anti-sweat. What you get: 2x Garmin Instinct Screen Protector, 10x Garmin Instinct Charger Port Protectors Multicolor, 1-year warranty and 30-day money-back promise. Top reviews from the United States. So far so good. Good screen protector so far and easy to install. The charging port covers work as intended also. Nice value for the cost.